So we'll just look at how we export a sketch to LaserCut. So I want to take this piece here, but in order to do that I need to create a new sketch because I added the slot later, this slot here. So the way that I do that is I create a sketch and I select this plane here for the sketch, and then I go to create and you can see it says project, and we say project, and we can finish the sketch. And in sketches we've got this sketch here, and what I should do there, actually I'm actually going to rename it as lower support for laser cutting. You'll see that because I didn't create a new component, that's just gone into the sketches thing there. So I want to give it a meaningful name. I'm going to export as a DXF. Now I've already created a folder on my hard drive in documents called DXF for laser cutting, and it will default. You can see I've already exported something before, so it will always default to there. I can save that. Oh, I beg your pardon. Of course I need to give it a name. Lower leg support, and then we can save that. Lower leg support, I'll find it if I go into my documents as well. DXF for laser cutting, lower leg support. You'll see it will open that in Illustrator. Scale of 1:1. Okay. And there you can see that piece there. You'll notice this is an RGB, so we would want to copy and paste that into a different format so that we can laser cut it, because you can't change the color when you're in the RGB format. That's very easily done. We just copy and paste that in. Okay.